In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Replit. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get right to work. First, open the app or project in Replit that contains the code you want to change. If you're starting from your Replit dashboard, select the project and wait a moment for the workspace to load. You'll land in the main editor view with the interface around it. This is where all your editing happens. Next, open the Files pane by clicking the pane icon at the top right. This reveals a sidebar showing every file and folder in your project. Think of it as your project's map. Scripts, configuration files, and assets are all listed here. If the Files pane is already visible, you're set and can move on without clicking anything else. The goal here is simply to make sure you can see your project's file structure so you know exactly where your code lives. Now, select the file you want to edit. Click it once in the list, and Replit will open that file in the main code editor area. From there, you can start typing immediately. You'll see line numbers, syntax highlighting, and a blinking cursor ready for your changes. Replit typically auto-saves as you work, which helps you avoid losing progress. You may notice brief key indicators, which confirm your updates are being captured. As you make edits, be mindful of which file you're in, especially if your project includes multiple files with similar names or different extensions. For example, a project's entry point might be named something like main.py, index.js, or app.tsx, depending on the language or framework you're using. If your files are organized into folders, expand or collapse them in the Files pane to quickly zero in on the exact file you need. This helps you stay organized and ensures you're updating the right place. That's the whole process. Open the app, open the Files pane, choose your file, and start editing. Sticking to these essentials keeps things straightforward and reduces the chance of clicking around unnecessarily. If you ever lose your spot, just return to the Files pane, select the correct file again, and continue where you left off. Once you're in the editor with the right file open, you're ready to adjust code, fix issues, or make improvements confidently. And that's all. With these simple steps, you can quickly access your code and make changes right inside Replit's editor.